Oh my!
Oh, I didn't think about this. I think there's packing peanuts in the computer.
I thought I heard something moving around. If they put packing peanuts in the computer, I'm done. This is just so weird. I've never seen a card look like that.
Oh God, it's even so much worse than we thought. Hey, how's it going, guys? Jack and Maddie with the Toaster Bros, and today we took a leap of faith. We bid on probably 20 listings from Goodwill, and we finally won one. We paid $237 for this, and we don't even really know what it is.
For those who don't know, there is a bid site for Goodwill, which is basically a donation center here in the US. I'm not really sure how relevant they are outside of the US, but a lot of people take their junk, for lack of a better term, donate it to Goodwill, then Goodwill sells it and does a lot of fundraising with that stuff. And they have gaming PCs that you can bid on, and I have lost a lot of bids to get to this point, but this one looks potentially good, but it's untested. Does it work? Are we gonna have to fix it? Probably, but first, a word from today's sponsor.
Today's video is brought to you by Passwork. Passwork is a self-hosted password manager for businesses looking to build a safe environment. It's not uncommon for a company to have multiple passwords and services. When a key employee goes on vacation or sick leave, it can be a real headache to get signed into important sites that they only have access to. Passwork's password manager was created to solve problems like this. Employees can use Passwork to quickly access all their passwords, while the rights and actions can be closely supervised and managed by your company. All of the data is encrypted and stored locally on your own server rather than being transferred to the cloud, making it a super secure solution. There's also a cool mobile app and browser extension to make sure you always have your passwords handy. Passwork is already used by hundreds of major companies. To learn more about how Passwork can protect your company, check the link in the description down below, and big thanks again to Passwork for sponsoring today's video.
So yeah, as we said, we've bid on quite a few of these Goodwill listings. It works very similarly to eBay. If you've ever used eBay, you basically start the bid off at some number, which might be $0 or 99 cents, and then it goes to the moon pretty much. And the problem is, I think a lot of people have the mindset that Goodwill is like the hidden gem right now. So we have seen some pretty bad deals. We've seen some people spend a lot of money on stuff they probably shouldn't have, but I think we won this one because they were very adamant on, hey, I don't really know what's in this. It's untested, which I feel like really just means they plugged it in and it didn't turn on. So they probably are, trying to sell it as untested. So they hope they get a little more money for it. But for 234 bucks, we know we got an NZXT case. We know we got a lot of name brand parts. We just don't know the condition of them or what they even are.
Yeah, and there's supposed to be a GPU in it. Based on the pictures, there's a graphics card. I don't know what kind of graphics card it is, but you can see the pictures on screen here. It kind of resembles one of those old Intel dedicated GPUs before they actually created dedicated GPUs. It has like a silver shroud on it, but we're not gonna talk too much about it based on the pictures. We're gonna open this thing up because fragile. It's definitely been protected in shipping, obviously, with all the holes and stuff.
Yeah. Desperate times call for desperate measures. I'm gonna go ahead and break Matt's back a little bit here, partner.
Here we go.
I'm gonna go ahead and lower the table. Keep in mind, guys, this is not, well, I don't think, is this Goodwill shipping them directly?
It is. It tells you what Goodwill store it comes from.
Yeah, because I'm just kind of like, the packaging's not the greatest, but I don't know, maybe it's double boxed. Oh, we have pictures of it.
Oh, wow.
And the price and everything. So here it is. Let's see. So shopgoodwill.com from Gulfstream Goodwill that is in Florida. So this was a Florida PC. It's probably pretty sun-baked. Asus Black. So is this not NZXT?
The case definitely looked NZXT. I don't know why they said Asus. I think it might be the motherboard. So they probably saw the Asus logo on the motherboard.
Yeah, and then desktop cooled gaming tower custom. And
this is a trend with the Goodwill stuff. Yeah. They don't know anything about the computer parts. They just have anyone do it. And they just kind of like, look at.
These are the baking soda ones where you could eat them. All right, so I'm just gonna try to just get the whole top layer off so that we can get to the computer a little easier.
Oh no.
It's double boxed.
Oh wow.
Or maybe, no, it's paper wrapped.
Okay. Look at all these snacks from McAllister. McAllister, I want you to put an image of yourself eating these snacks. Go blah, 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 blah.
But actually eat one for the image.
Yeah, eat one for the image.
All right, let's go ahead and try to just dump this thing over. We're just gonna make a mess. I think we literally just cleaned in here too.
Oh my.
Oh, I didn't think about this. I literally just said.
Oh, McAllister.
I literally. Okay, I'm in shock right now. You know what, Matt? Let's just have some fun.
Weird. McAllister, get in here! Packing peanut party!
There is peanuts on top and underneath the box. I got all the ones on top, and I'm like, okay, let's go ahead and dump the PC out. And yeah,
I'm sure there's more underneath it.
Forget about the ones on the floor, they belong there.
All right.
Back to what we were doing.
So here's our reusable stuff, well, some of it. We're gonna reuse our bubble wrap for sure, but yeah, PC's packed fairly well. I'm gonna give him that. Obviously, it's going to vary. You never know who's gonna be packing your computer. I think there's packing peanuts in the computer.
I thought I heard something moving around. If they put packing peanuts in the computer, I'm done. Uh-oh, what's going on?
Well, I already see something really weird. The I/O shield? What? Slots. It looks like it's been cut. But why?
Oh, What in the hell?
Okay, our case is definitely a little bit beat up. It's not terrible, but oh my God. I don't know if the person was actually smart enough, but tempered glass, in most glass, you'll do this so that if it's shattered, it'll kind of stay together better. That's my guess at least.
Oh, wait a minute.
Ugh. I need a screwdriver to get that one out.
Wow, wait, let me get a...
That one I just bent it back with my finger a little bit. It's pretty flimsy, honestly.
Someone clearly either bought a new pre-bill or something and they just brought this to a Goodwill and was like, just take it. Which I just don't know if I'd ever be in the spot to take one to a Goodwill, but good on them, I guess.
Yeah, I just feel like I'd always just want to sell it, but then again, you get write-off money. All right, so we're gonna keep our paper over here.
All right, this is a
Weird card. What is that?
Is it one of those Intel cards?
It says ZT, so I'm assuming Zotac. I think it's a 1050.
Really?
It has 2 fans. That's OG, dude.
Did they paint this themselves, or is it just a really bad paint job?
Yeah, I think it is a 1050.
Low profile mod. We gotta take that card out because I think that they painted that like the plastic part.
Yeah.
Like I don't think it's meant to be white.
It's a 1052 gig. Also, I swear that heatsink looks so big. I'm like, did someone maybe like modify this?
Yeah.
Like get their own heatsink? What is this? Single stick of RAMs. That's interesting.
This is just so weird. I've never seen a card look like that.
It's pretty gritty feeling, so I'm pretty confident they painted themselves. Maybe someone in the description or in the comments can let us know, but yeah, I don't see any anti-tamper stickers. You can kind of see, if you look closely at the Phillips heads, they're a little bit walled out. So I think this card's been taken apart because those look fairly new to me too, those little thermal pads. So I'm assuming this has been taken apart, but yeah, I'm gonna say this is an impressive heatsink from Zotac, or if it is aftermarket.
Now inside the build, we have
a Z390 board.
Yeah, Asus Z390.
Maybe we got lucky and there's like an i7 in here. But it would have to be, what would that be, 9th gen?
Thermal paste doesn't look terrible either.
It almost looks
I'm gonna make a wide guess as like an 8400 or something.
Yeah, all right guys, let us know in the comments. What's your guesses? What's your guesses? Oh God, it's even so much worse than we thought.
Oh no.
That's a Pentium.
No! Send it back, I don't want it.
We have 2 things going for us. One is the fact that it's a gold processor, so I think with this motherboard, it's overclockable.
Yeah, I think it is.
I'm guessing that's why. Why else would you go with the full-size Z390 with Pentium? I don't know. Someone freaky planned this.
RAM is, what is this, accelerometer?
Accelerometer?
Exclamator? I don't even know, but it's 16 gigs.
Single channel, baby.
Yeah, 2666. Man, there's definitely a lot of things we could do to optimize this, but you know, normally we like to kind of, we're gonna do this video as like, hey, we bought it, let's just make a video now. So we could go all out, we could like totally revamp this build, clean it, just make it amazing, but I almost think we put it back together.
Let's see if it actually works.
Yeah, we'll do some new thermal paste, throw in the graphics card, see if it works, and if it does, at that point, probably just gonna need to kind of go through and just maybe do a little bit of optimization, maybe add a 2nd stick of RAM, or we'll just test it in game. I wanna see the back too, before we do all that. I wanna see the back.
That is as generic of a power supply as power supplies get.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
and why is there like tape on some of the cables? If there's a problem with this computer, I'm pointing straight to the power supply first.
Well, because the tape's confusing me because there's only 1 wire. I would have thought if they modified it, they would have, you know, soldered some wires together. Oh, that's why.
Oh, is it just
some frayed in like a couple spots actually. Someone was definitely feeling frisky when they built this. In terms of like our value, so I think we paid for about exactly what we got. The question is, does it work? And if it doesn't, hopefully it's just this freaking bomb of a power supply and we can just replace that. Otherwise, I think we'll just have to game. But let's go ahead and get this thing put back together and let's give it a try.
I have PTSD ever since I had a power supply like capacitor pop on me.
It's just so loud.
Motherboard's lit up. Okay.
It turns on. Wow.
It posted.
Let me grab a keyboard and see if we happen to already have an OS installed. I'm assuming whoever donated this, since it works, probably, you know.
It might have a password on it too, so we might just be
I would think they would have wiped it though, since they know it works. I almost wonder if like maybe someone in the comments can let us know, but do they have people at Goodwill that like specialize in departments? Like whoever would have tested this, would they know about computers, or is it just random employees?
It's doing like first time setup vibes. Oh
no, it's George.
Oh George, no, it's unknown.
I
George.
think it's going in, dude.
Oh no. Oh no,
it looks very reset. No, it looks new.
Someone just set it up as George.
Yeah, I mean, there's almost nothing besides the Windows. Yeah, local account, so we can literally just change the name.
Shout out George.
User. Yeah, thank you, George, for setting this up. Let's see if the internet works. Maybe that's what's not gonna work, right? Something has to not work here.
So far, everything's working. There has to be something that doesn't work, right?
Okay, can we Let's see if it actually,
Can we use the internet?
can we use it? Can we go to Steam?
I guess what we'll do, yeah, it's snappy. So I guess as is, let's just install some games, see what it can do. It's just kind of cool, it works. I mean, I wasn't expecting that. I thought we were gonna spend all day trying to make it work.
And I really bet we're gonna have a lot of updates. This just feels like an older version. Wait, is this Windows 11?
It is Windows 11, which is freaky. So like they must have done something to it.
Like the whole time I'm navigating, it didn't even click to me. I just noticed the taskbar and I'm like, wait, hold up.
Yeah, we're in Windows 11, so somebody installed Windows 11.
Okay, is it activated? That's the catch. It's not activated, right?
It's activated.
With Pro, not even a home key. George, you hooked us up, brother. You hooked us up, George. If this is your PC, let us know.
Let us know.
Oh, we got updates.
Oh, we got updates.
Let's do
yeah,
them.
we'll install some updates, install some games, and I guess we'll just see what it can do.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're starting off with Apex Legends, and just to show you guys the settings real quick, we're basically max FOV with 1080p, but like pretty much lowest low settings. I mean, there's like 1 or 2 settings we could still lower. Our adaptive resolution target rate's set to 60, but 1080p, it's playable.
Wow, look at this little Pentium in 1050. And I did notice one thing, our CPU is boosting 3.9. Is that the overclock? Is that our 2% right there?
That might be the 2%, and it feels pretty stable. Caustic Trap. I kind of went in there a little too devious, I think.
And there goes Oni-chan.
Oni-chan, you need to heal. Oni-chan, you're dying.
Wow.
Ow, no! They broke your amped cover, dear.
Dear, let me ask you.
Fart Trap.
For a stink expert,
Fart Trap.
you got some flicks.
Oh,
No!
dang it. I just threw that, dude.
Oni-chan!
It's 60 jerts.
60 jerts.
Ah!
Stink!
Oh.
Oh no.
Okay, whatever
Heat
gun
choke.
that is, it never stops shooting. Oh no.
Should use your
My
fart bomb.
teammates got him though. They got him. You have been pooed on.
Yeah!
Easy. Teammates clutched up.
Trap's
GG.
OP. Oh! Hello?
Oh my god.
No!
Dude, I suck up close. They're healing up.
Woo!
Oh, we're the champions on a Pentium. How does that feel?
And a PC from Goodwill. You know, that sounds like a roast you would do to somebody.
Get off the map.
You got your gaming PC from Goodwill, but we did, and it worked. All right, guys, we are now in Fortnite on performance settings, medium view distance, medium textures, and yeah, we're in the warm-up lobby right now. I imagine running on these performance settings, we're gonna be really pushing that little Pentium to its limits, but we're getting 60 plus FPS right now. Just keep an eye on the stutters. That's probably gonna be the one thing that's gonna be a little bit annoying with this little 2-core 4 thread, but I think it'll still be more than playable. The performance mode on Fortnite has come a long way to where pretty much anything can run Fortnite nowadays and at least get 60 plus FPS. Got him, Strap HQ, you're done, dude. Oh! What is he using? What is this? Push me, I dare you. Bro! Oh, someone else killed him. I'm gonna get shot in the back though. Ah, no! I should have just ran off in the other direction. But 100 plus FPS in Fortnite, pretty good. We did install CSGO because we were a bit worried that these other 2 games would really struggle, but they're actually doing pretty good. We'll still launch it anyways and see if Jackson gets some op kills, but yeah, so far, pretty happy.
All right, we are playing some CSGO, an age-appropriate game, sort of. This game has actually been out for quite a while, but as you can see, we're set to
What? These were the default settings. I couldn't even tell.
everything. Yeah, just look at the settings, guys. You get the idea.
We don't need to
Boom.
lower them at all. We're looking good.
No, we really don't. We're getting good latencies. This is definitely, you could competitive play in the system if you wanted to. Oh no.
The
He has
boy.
an op. Oh, this isn't gonna be good.
Done. And you got killed by the boy.
Dude, the op is gonna kill me every time. I can just feel it.
I got messed up.
Oh. I see you.
Oh,
Oh no, bot Chad. Oh, I thought that was bot Chad. Well, let's just. Yup.
And you're dead.
And the boy, he's got me. All
All
right,
right.
I'm done with this game.
Let's wrap this video up real quick.
All right, guys, so the Goodwill PC actually worked. The Only real issues we saw were the case took a little bit of a beating. I did just now notice it's definitely missing that nice cover. I can just like stick my whole hand in there. And then the only other thing was the power supply is super sketchy, and some of the cables did have a little bit of electrical tape where it looks like maybe they were going to cut a zip tie and accidentally kind of just barely got one of the cables, or just from shipping or something, I don't know. But just one of the cables was slightly rubbed through the actual insulation. So no big deal though, it definitely works. We will probably replace the power supply and give this thing a good cleaning to sell over at PC Bros.
If we were like at some local auction in person, I'd imagine this thing would go for a little bit less than $200. But given the fact we picked this thing up from a Goodwill auction site online and it was shipped to our door for $235, I think we did pretty good. Yeah, the case is a little bit beat up and a little rough, and I could just go like wee into the computer case. But yeah, it's still cool that we were actually able to get a gaming PC from Goodwill. So if you want to do some bidding on Goodwill, check the link down below. It won't be an affiliate link. I don't think Goodwill is an affiliate program. But go over to Goodwill, try to bid on a computer, and let us know in the comment section down below if you were lucky to win something.
So as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other two YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/ToastyBros, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
So after some more testing and some cleaning and maybe some other parts upgrades like dual channel RAM, this PC will be for sale at PCBros.tech.
PCBros.tech, we sell gaming PCs, gaming laptops, and so much more, and we don't use packing peanuts most of the time. Sometimes we might use one, but it may happen. But you know, we don't use a lot of packing peanuts, so I think that's a plus for us. Use code ToastyBros2 and check out to save 2% of your next purchase. See you guys later. Goodbye.
Peace out.